Hi everybody, welcome to another week at Howbridge. This week we're still thinking about thankfulness, but I want to link it to our school and teamwork. And I'm stood by this amazing tree because I want to talk about the birds that our classes are named after. You might not know that our classes are named after birds because we want to work as a whole Howbridge team and fly high together. So in a few minutes the teacher's going to play you a video, and if you were here last year you might remember it. The video is about geese, and what I want you and the teachers to do once you've seen that video is to think about some of the things that are in the video to do with teamwork and encouragement and looking after each other, because that's what I want for our school. I know that Year 5 have been doing some work on creation, and in the Bible it says, God created every winged bird according to its kind, and God saw that it was good. God blessed them and said, be fruitful and let the birds increase on the earth. That's from creation. That's about creation from Genesis in the Bible. There are about 9,000 species of birds, and we've got 12 named in our school, which we'll explore in a bit more detail as maybe the next few weeks go on, because there's quite an exciting display that's going to be created in the hall that I thought we could link these birds to as we go along. So I'll talk to Miss French about that. So before the teachers play you the video clip about geese and then have a chat to you about it, I just want to read to you a short prayer that some children in Year 4 had written. And they came to me one lunchtime while they were eating lunch in the dining room and said that they'd written this prayer, and I said write it down and bring it to me and I would read it. So this is a prayer written by Francesca in 4H and Isabella and Amela in 4W and Amelia in 4H. For children to eat and those who make it, for bones to enjoy it and friends to share it, we thank you, Lord. Amen. So thanks, girls, for that lovely little prayer. Watch the video, have a chat about it, and I'll see you around school this week.